Today, we will talk about how to start a home staging business. Let's have a look at the details. Home staging is a way to prepare a house for sale. By using professional cleaning, repair, and decoration, home staging aims to make the house appear larger, brighter, cleaner, and more inviting to potential buyers. Professional stagers use high-level design skills to appeal to a buyer's senses. You can run this business alone or as part of a larger real estate agency. Either way, the goal is to show a house and use so buyers are more encouraged than they would be seeing a vacant house. The first part is taking preliminary business steps. Create a business name. You can come up with something unique to your concept or just use your personal name. Draw up a budget. This will be preliminary at best until you get a better idea of your area's real estate market and client needs. Print a business card. You probably want this done at a local print shop or office store. You can ask them about other items to get your business logo on, such as pens, magnets, notepads, etc. Create a schedule of charges. This will be what you charge clients for your services. Contact the U.S. Small Business Administration. You can look at the SBA for financing ideas if you think more funding will be necessary for decorating. Also, this will help with registration if you want to build a larger office with more employees. Create a website. This is a good idea with modern technology's advantages. The website can make contact smoother between clients and you, plus showcase your work with photos, even video. The second part is managing your local real estate market. Look at consumer reports for home buyers. You want to get a sense of what potential buyers are looking for in their homes. This could vary quite a bit by neighborhood. Contact local real estate offices. You can do this to either see if they want to hire you as a stager, or at least get information on potential clients. Write for the community realty publications. Many cities have a local real estate publication or might allow a contribution on matters of decoration in the local newspaper. Contact reliable contractors in the area. Ask the realtors you network with about cleaners, repair crews, painters, and other similar workers they recommend to homeowners when trying to improve a house for sale. The third part is working with interior design. Set up good resources for home decor. This means being able to pull in props, furniture, art supplies, and the like to supplement whatever you might be lacking when encountering a client's home. Move furniture. This is probably among the more demanding aspects of staging on a regular basis. Moving furniture can involve a lot of heavy lifting, has a major impact on the spacious feel of a room, and has a high risk of you damaging something valuable of the homeowner. Add lighting. Generally, the problem in most rooms is a lack of lighting, so adding fixtures or bulbs with more wattage is necessary. Change colors. The mood of a room can be drastically affected by dark hues paired with light-colored furnishings or the reverse. Neutral colors can allow brighter ones to pop even more if you want them highlighted in specific areas. Add accessories. These can be anything from flowers to wall hangings. Where they come from is up to you and the homeowner. And the fourth part is attracting customers. Advertise in the right places. Give out business cards, do lunch, show your portfolio of designs to related businesses. Use word of mouth. There is no substitute for customers sharing their experience with you to others. Find ways to remind clients to mention your business in their dealings with others. Do a staging demonstration at your own home. This is not only a good way to experiment with designs, but a way to showcase your skills to anyone you wish to invite. Practice with trends. Keeping up with the latest fashionable ideas in home furnishings, draperies, ambient lighting, and color schemes is important to satisfying newer buyers. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.